Let's get ready to rumble. Yeah, I'm just a little bit excited over magnetic lashes. Just a bit. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I am going to be testing out magnetic lashes. I know that I'm late getting on this bandwagon, very late, but they just came available here where I live. So I was like, let's put these two brands to the test. So this one here is the 3-second lash, magnetic lashes, and you are getting 3 different types. You're getting like just a natural one, then kind of a flirty natural, and then a completely bold one. These are like accent lashes. And then we have the Ardell magnetic lashes, and these ones here are the double Demi Wispies, and I'm really excited for these ones because, you know, Ardell is a lash brand compared to these ones that I bought from Showcase. Now these ones that I purchased from Showcase came up to $44 in total. And for these ones here, I did purchase them at my local Sally's Beauty Supply, and with my Pro Red card, I got them for $17.49. So the reason why I picked up these lashes is because, if you're like me, I have small eyes. They're like 2 little pea holes in the snow. Let's face it, like my eyes are extremely tiny, and I always have a hard time finding lashes that will fit my eyes, and then I have to glue them on. And sometimes my eyes are just like, I don't know if I have a reaction to the glue sometimes, but they're just like, it's not fun. And then you have to clean the glue off. And I know that a lot of people do have reactions to like lash glue. So I mean, this is a great alternative if they work. I know that there's a lot of videos out there already on both these sets. I did not watch any of them because I wanted to try them out for myself to see if I like them or not, or am I going to get them stuck in my eyeball? I mean, it should be quite amusing. So with all that being said, let's put these to the test. So now that we are up close and personal, hello, like I always say. So I'm going to go ahead with the 3-second lash from Showcase, and I like it that it comes in a little case, and then you got this little tiny holder, which I don't think I'm going to use because I think I'm going to have difficulty like trying to place the lash on my eye. Now I did read the instructions. Normally, to be quite honest, I don't read no instructions at all. I just go ahead, wing it, and now however it turns out, that's the way it turns out. But I really decided to read the instructions on these because, you know, they're going by my eyeball and I don't want to hurt myself. So they do say, you know, just to apply a bit of mascara, because then that makes the top lash like connect to your lashes, kind of makes them stick, and then you just go ahead and apply them underneath. Now they do say when removing them, you almost got to like roll your fingers together and then slide them off. Let's hope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this. So step 1, step 2, and step 3. So these are 3 different styles. And the great thing about it is that the ones that have to go underneath like your lashes have like the little red magnets on them, so you know that's the bottom ones. And then the ones that have to go on top, they don't. So let's test out step 1. Now we're zoomed in really close. Very close. Hello. Okay, Nicole, that was kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just going to apply that to my lash. Now do not apply these to your bottom lash, because they're not for the bottom lash, just for your top lash. So let's see how this goes. Shit, pardon my French, but I already dropped it. That's a great start. Great start right off the bat. So, okay. Gotta try to get this as close to my lash line as possible. Okay, we're good. Now I just gotta try to look down and get the second one. Okay, I'm gonna come up really close for you guys to see this. Whoa! Okay. My my bottom lash is literally stuck to it. That's fantastic. So don't panic. They say just to roll your fingers together and it's supposed to slide off. Okay, so there we go. See, I just rolled it and you could tell that they came apart really nice and easy. Okay, let's try that again. Let's hope that my bottom ones don't get stuck to it again. That was a little bit kind of a panic moment, for sure. I mean, I'm sure that if you're able to position it correctly and get it right, I'm sure they would look nice. I'm guessing, I'm hoping. Okay. So that kind of went down a lot nicer. I don't know what it's like when I look down. Oh yeah. Yeah, they moved from my lash line. So, okay. Roll, Nicole. Just roll, roll, roll. So yeah, so I don't know where that one fell. I have no idea where it went. Pretty flimsy, if you ask me. Now I'm gonna go in with step 3, which is more of a bolder one. I do like accent lashes because they're so much easier for me to apply to my eyes. Where my eyes are so tiny, I just like to give a bit of volume to my lashes. It kind of really ticks me off now about the other one. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to apply the bottom one. Make sure that got the red on it, which it doesn't. Sure that's lined up again. I mean, this is a little bit time consuming, not gonna lie, but I think once you get the hang of it, I think it'll be okay. Ow, I just poked myself in the eyeball with that one. I don't think I really like this style of bold lashes. No, definitely not. Yeah, and like, I didn't even get that right by my lash line. And just roll, and then they just slide off like that. Okay, so, you know, kind of feel that was wasting money. Yeah, definitely. Oh, okay, so I did find, I found the lash after all. That makes me really happy. It was connected to another one. That's great. That's fantastic. So now I can be happy because I found it. I like that. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna take the bottom ones. Okay, that went down really nice then. Oh, I mean, see, that's the only problem, is that you can't get it close enough to your lash line. I mean, I'm sure if you did, I mean, look how much of a difference it gives my eye. Like, big difference, which I really like. But yeah, I don't like that you can't get it close enough to the lash line. Okay, place it there like that. I feel like, see, you still have to go in, okay, with your finger. Now I'm going to take the bottom one. I'm going to open my eye really wide, and yeah, that totally moved, completely moved. Okay, I'm just going to give up on these right now. Okay, let's just stop trying these and let's move on to the Ardell Magnet Double Demi Wispy Lashes. I'm really excited to try these ones. I do love the accent ones. Now, I do believe that these come in like 5 styles, I think. But at the time when I was down to Sally's, they only had these ones, and then they had the other Demi Wispies. But I like these ones because they kind of tapered towards the inner part of your eye. So let's test these out and see how well they work. So up here it shows the upper and then under part, and as you can tell, they're really nice. Like they go in really nice, and then they just flare out, which I really like. So I'm really excited to try these ones. Let's hope I have more luck with these than I did the other ones. So let's see, right now, oh, okay, so this one here has a total of, you have 1, 2, 3, you got 4 magnets. So I think this is going to be more secure, so let me zoom you guys in closer. Okay, so let's place these. These seem to be a little bit harder because where they're a full lash to place. And I think they might be a little bit too big for my eye. Great. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, the way I have it right now. And I'm going to go in with the under part. These ones make me a little bit nervous too because where they're full lash. And I'm going to just open my eye really wide once again, just to place it. Now, what the hell? What in the world am I doing wrong? This did say under. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing wrong with these lashes. I really don't. Maybe it's because they're too big for my eye. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to cut them. I mean, hey, if I cut them and if they fit, that's great, right? See, like, yeah. They're just really too long. Oh, did you see that? They're just really too big for my eye, and I can't get the lash to go in further, like to stay where it should, because it's so difficult. See this hair? It's because they are too long and too big and heavy for my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it and see if I can position it better, and hopefully it will fit my eye better. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because I really have high hopes for these ones. So I went ahead and I just cut off like one of the magnets, just the inner part. So let's hope this is going to fit my eye much better, hopefully. Ooh, I have a feeling that it is. Hopefully that I just made the right decision by cutting it off. What the hell? Like, what is going on? Why can't I just get these to stick to my eyes? I'm going to try it one more time. So you guys, I finally got them on my eyes. It took quite a while. Like, I don't even know how many attempts. I stopped counting after 10. Like, I was getting really annoyed that they weren't like sticking like they should. And it took quite some time to actually get them on. And I think what's happening is that where I have such short lashes, that these might be really heavy, and that's probably why I was having such difficulty with applying them onto my eyes. But I cut them, so now they fit my eyes perfectly. I think that, like, you know, once you get the hang of it, it should be easy. But I honestly think that that's why I was having such difficulties, because my lashes are super short. Even my battery died to my camera. That's how long it was taking me to get these on my eyes. So I said I'd go off camera, just because it was so much easier to try to do them off camera. But that's as close as I could get it to the lash line. So I think that's what the problem is that my lashes are really super short. So this is why it's being so difficult to apply. So you guys, there you go. Here's my review on the magnetized lashes. What do I think of them? Do I have all the time in the world to actually practice to put them on? Probably not. I really had high hopes, especially for the Ardell Demi Wispies. I mean, I do love how they make my eyes look, that's for sure. I'm happy that I did cut them, because then it fit my eye a lot better. But I think that the problem is that where my lashes are so short that they really don't have anything to really grab onto as such. So I think that's why I was having such a problem with trying to apply them. But yeah, I mean, I'll keep trying them to see. As for these ones, like I said earlier on in the video, I think they would work really like a lot better if they had magnets on each end and not just in the middle. I think where it's just in the middle, it's not really securing it. So, you know, I'm gonna keep on testing these out, but I have a feeling that these are just like a total waste of money. But I'm gonna keep going for these, and hopefully when they have the accent ones in, I'm gonna get them and try them out and see how they work. Maybe they'll work better, I don't know. But if you guys try the magnetized lashes, let me know in the comments down below, yay or nay, or would you just rather stick with your lash glue and lashes? Let me know. And also let me know what favorite lashes, that's okay, that's just the package. What favorite lashes do you guys wear? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!